1, numbers. 2, the Countess. And 3, the Betty Beds, of course.
Oh, how you count? What are you counting?
I am counting 3 things that bring me joy. It is something I do when I have a big feeling.
Oh, really? Well, how does it work?
Well, focusing on things that bring me joy helps me to feel happy. You try it, Elmo.
Oh, well, okay. Let's see. One thing that brings so much joy is... singing. Yeah, la, 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 la.
That is one lovely singing voice, Elmo.
Oh, well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's see. The second thing that brings so much joy is, Elmo's friends like the Count.
Oh, you are one marvelous friend, little Elmo.
And the third thing is... Elmo's puppy Tango.
That is three things that bring Elmo joy.